As piano technicians, we all know that almost every piano we go tune needs some sort of repair. That's why the field repair course from the Piano Technician Academy is a must for any in-home piano tuner who wants to expand their skills and grow their business. Taught by international instructor Jason Cassel, RPT, this course is built specifically for field technicians who want to go beyond tuning and tackle the real-world repairs we face every day right in the customer's home. From broken key sticks and noisy pedals to string replacement and action issues, Jason walks you through all the most common repairs with movie-quality videography that captures every detail in stunning clarity. You'll learn exactly what to do, how to do it efficiently, and how to explain the value to your clients, building trust and adding new revenue to every service call you go on. If you're ready to stop walking away from repair work and start making more from every visit, this course is for you. The Field Repair Course, only at the Piano Technician Academy. The skills you wish you had on your last job.